Lot number 2370A. Here we have ourselves a John Deere STX-38 Black Deck. We're tearing this machine down into parts. 218-844-4968 for parts off this machine. Give lot number 2370A. It's hydrostatic drive. Transmission is good. Engine does run. We'll do engine compression test in the next video. It's got a Kohler Command 12.5 horse. Model number CV12.5S. Serial number 240-681-8058. Got a 38-inch black deck. The parts off the black deck only fit the 38-inch black decks on an STX-38. Thanks for stopping by and looking at our video.